Hi guys, it's me, Madison. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning, but hey, I'm gonna be making some hamster treats, so let's go. Sorry, I know it's a mess. So first thing you wanna do is go back up there and get something. You could use a Q-tip, chopstick, anything you really want. No, I'm using good Q-tips because I like the way of Q-tips. And then walk down the stairs. What you need is peanut butter and Q-tips or whatever you used, and whatever. So you take your Q-tips. You see that 3 Q-tips or however many. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Well, I know what I'm doing, but you rip off the cottony thingy. Both ends. Take a knife, scoop out a little chunk, and put it on one side of the, put it on your tool that you're using. Guess you can see that. And your thing. Keep going until you have a nice creamy ready. Okay, now I go and grab some hamster food, so I'll be right back. And put it on a hard surface or whatever. Just like that. And take your peanut butter stick. Just roll. And then put it in the freezer to kind of just sit down there and dry. Make sure that really none of it comes off. So now you're gonna do the same thing with the Q-tips. Just rip it off. Always do it on the side that has less. Take, of course, your peanut butter. And peanut butter it up. You could use a lot, you could use a little. Okay, now once again, dip it. This time it has a little bit more. Okay, now just put it back in the freezer with the other. Mostly everyone knows what happens when you put peanut butter in the freezer. It gets hard and it freezes whatever to like onto. Not quite. So one more time and you should be done. Just one more time. Here we go. Just kind of scrape it on now. I have the thick one with a lot of peanut butter on it, but not so tall. There we go. Also, if you want, shake it so that doesn't happen. Okay. So now take one. Good one. And take the extra food. If you had it in a bag, put it in a bag. You can put the peanut butter still in the freezer. It usually takes about however long yes it is to cook it. Let's see if he likes it. Oh, it's open. Okay. I get really concerned. But what's over here, so yeah, buddy. Hey. Just take it somewhere, I guess. Now we're just gonna stick it in there. Eat it whenever he actually wants. Alright. How to make the wheel quiet. This is just really simple. Just add what's it called? Cast stone part. Just I'll look into it and I should. Okay. Toaster. Toaster. Okay. So it's about halfway through. I'll lay down my hamster. Like it. And gently in place. Okay. This is where it's gonna kind of want to slip off. So you gotta kind of control it here. Move on to it. Move on to it. Yeah. I missed. Cause it was stupid. Oh, it came out the hole. and it's on. Super silent, see if you can run in it. Now give him a treat too. Oh, what? You don't get that much. Hey. So I'm gonna make him run on the wheel for it. Yeah. So, yeah, just say bye.